Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create account on Netflix. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to download Netflix application and open Netflix application and click on Get Started and enter your email address here and click on Get Started. And then you need to enter your password. So let me enter my password. Okay, and if you want special offer you simply need to uncheck that. So I do not want special offer, so I click on that and click on continue and wait for few seconds. Okay, so if you want to save, you can save your password in your smartphone and check your email address. So refresh that, so you will receive an email from the Netflix team. So let me check a new email. So here you can see that you are almost there. Go to netflix.com to finish sign up. Okay, so let me check an email. So let me open a website netflix.com to sign up, to complete the sign up process. Netflix.com. Or we can check on the app whether we are okay. So click on sign in on the right top and wait for a few seconds. Enter your email here, or you can simply click on that to get the data, but my data is not saved. So let me enter my data. Click on sign in. So wait for few seconds. Click on finish sign up. It will take few seconds and then you need to choose a plan. Click on next. You can select any plan according to your choice and device. So I'm going to click on next. So here you need to set up your payments, and after that your account will be created successfully. So this is the process by which you can create account on Netflix. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.